Hello friends and welcome back to the tutorial of Python for the beginners. In this video we are going to learn about the try and the except statement. Actually, what is try and except statements and why we are going to use that? So let me tell you the reason for that. Because sometimes what happens is whatever will be the way you will definitely going to get an error. So in that case, instead of showing that error, I will display a message instead, because if a error will be displayed, then your program will not execute properly, or we can say the execution will not be complete. So for that we are going to use the try and except statements. So except try is going to try for that statement, and except will accept that error, and instead of showing that error it will display you some message. So let's start with it, and I will show you how to write the try and accept statement. So for that, let's try with the zero division error, because as we know, whenever you will take some number and you are going to divide with zero, then you are definitely going to get a zero division error. So I'm going to use that only. So for that, let's take two variables and let's store some values in it. Like a value for a will be 5 and the value for b will be 0. So now we can try the try and accept statements. For that we are having a syntax as just type try colon and press enter, and inside this we are going to try for the operation, like we are going to perform a task, like the task is a divided by 0. So for that I'm typing a divided by b. So inside this try, we will try for some statement or try for some task, and if this task will get some error, then definitely it will generate some error. But instead of showing that error, I want to display some message. Like I know if I will divide 5 by 0, then I will definitely get 0 division error. So I don't want that error. So for that, I will type except. You can write here the error name, or you can directly type the colon and then press enter. So it will automatically detect whatever is the error, and according to that it will generate or display a message that you will type in the next line. Like I want to print zero division error, and now when you will press enter, instead of showing any error, it will definitely show you this message. So let's press enter. So you can see you have tried for a divided by b, but still it's not showing error, it is showing the zero division error. And there is one more statement with this try except statement, and that is finally. Let's just copy this code again and just type it here and press enter, backspace, and just type finally. What actually finally will do? Nothing, it will not perform any operation. Instead, whatever you will pass inside this finally, it will print that message as it is. Because sometimes you want to display some message, how doesn't matter whatever happens there. So what I will do is I will definitely put some message here. So just type print, and I want to write like execution successful. So what does it mean? It means my execution is successful and I don't want to perform any operation. Instead, I want to display some message. So it will display this message. Doesn't matter whatever will happen. So just press enter and enter. So you can see zero division error and execution successful, means there will be some error after trying this operation or task, and if this will generate some error, then you will get this error, and after you got this message you will go to this finally, and your execution successful message will be displayed. So this was it for now, and I hope you have learned this try, accept and finally statement. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy this video, then please click on the like button, and if you do not have subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my videos. And if you have any queries, then you can put a comment in the comment section as well. So thanks for watching this video.